Hey guys, I'm back again. We've got the third and final SKS test shoot video right here for you specifically. Got the gun loaded up to like about 10 rounds in the magazine here for that. So we got 10 rounds of the El Cheapo Man's Wolf WPA classic ammunition. We'll be running through the gun here. Make sure I'm doing a real quick function test again. And we'll go ahead and check the spent shell casings again, so make sure they're okay. And it should be great for that, guys. So let's go ahead and thing going here. Let me get a good stance here for you. So you can get a good picture right here for you well too. Okay, that looks good right there. Okay, here we go. Function great, no problem. We'll go ahead and get some of these shell casings here. And let me see, get a couple of there. It's 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. There we go. Okay, got about a 4 here, right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera here. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Let me get the camera readjusted here. Okay, it's spent shell casings. Here we go. These things are brand new and hot. Primers look fine on the back. No problem with the primer on it. Looks straight across on there. I don't see any deviations, no separations of the rear portion of the casing. Primer looks fine. It's not too deep into the primer pocket. So it looks great for me. Don't see any problem with it. So the SKS looks fine. It should be perfectly fine, functional for that. So overall, it was a total success with the SKS. Changing out the actual bolt assembly right here for that. I'll go ahead and put another link at the bottom of the page, or I should say in the actual description, where you can purchase a new unserialized SKS bolt that's basically a new old stock part from a guy on eBay. I'll see you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.